What is up, Yarn Besties? I am the Crafty Crocheter, and if you want to become a Yarn Bestie today, click the subscribe button and gain access to more content. And if you like what you see in this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you get notified when new videos come out. And don't forget to hype this video, share this video, and recommend the channel to all your family and friends. Alright, so welcome to another Yarn Haul Friday where I showcase my yarn hauls that I purchased at my local yarn shops. But in this episode, it's going to be slightly different because for this episode, I did not have any yarns that I purchased recently, but instead, I'm going to show you my current yarn stash. So come along with me if you enjoy yarns, and this may inspire you to go out and buy your own yarns for projects, or if you just want to collect them. So if you're ready, follow along. Here we go. All right, so I'm coming into the inner sanctum of my yarn hoard. So here are some of the yarns I have. I have some red hearts in these bins. And then I have my cubbies where I have my drawers color coded for the different yarns. You may have seen this in a past video. Then I got some yarns in this box over here. Then I have some more yarns on these little shelves over here. Most of my big skeins. I have my Big Twist Living yarns when Joann's was still open. Some loops and threads. I got some Lion brand. I got some of the Red Heart Flower Power yarns. More yarns back there. And here are some of my finished projects I have piled up. And then these were some of the projects I had for when I showcased it during Pride Month. And another cubby system with some drawers. This one's not as color-coded as the last one. And I got some more yarns up here. And I have some of my Bitty Stripes yarn from Red Heart. I got some Karen Smash Cakes yarn. And then I got the sign, that's so true. And I got some more yarns over here. More yarns down here. Because every day is crochet day, am I right? Alright, so I'm going to show you my most coveted yarn that I have in my collection. Now, when I first saw this yarn, I saw it from Bag A Day Crochet, where she was creating a blanket out of this yarn, and I tried to go to my local Michael's to see if they had it, and they didn't. Unbeknownst to me that this yarn was a seasonal yarn and that it's only a limited supply during the year. So I was able to procure a couple cakes of it, and I also got some of the one of the holiday ones too. So here's the yarn that I'm referring to. And the yarn I'm referring to is the Anniversary Cakes yarn from Karen. Now this is a very beautiful colorway, and this colorway is Tropical Breeze. I cannot wait to work with this yarn. This is a big freaking skein of yarn, so I cannot wait to work with this and see what I can whip up. So again, here is my coveted yarn skein for my collection. I hope you all enjoyed that video as much fun as I had making it. Now, again, with the yarns you saw here, don't let it get out of control and turn into a big hoarding situation. I've seen much bigger piles of yarn, so don't be alarmed if your pile starts to get out of control a little bit, as long as you have it organized, which is what I plan to do in the upcoming days, is to, again, reorganize my yarn crafting area. So, can't wait for y'all to see that. So, that is my yarn haul. So, if you like what you saw in this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you get notified when new videos come out. If you haven't already, consider becoming a Yarn Bestie and click that subscribe button. This is the Crafty Crocheter. Thank you very much for watching. See y'all next week. Happy crafting.